His family was shocked when he quit his office job. Now he makes a fortune from an unexpected trade. Fu was once ridiculed by his friends for choosing knife sharpening as a career. They believed it was merely manual labor with no potential for wealth. However, within just a year, he proved them wrong. Through persistence and dedication, he not only built a stable customer base, but also expanded his services to include scissor sharpening and kitchen tool repairs. Today, he earns over 20 million VND per month, significantly more than many office jobs. Knife sharpening is not just a profitable trade, it also offers freedom and independence. Never underestimate small jobs, as they have the power to change your life.